Nick Hacko here. 60 seconds tutorial how to remove Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch bracelet off its case. The first question to ask is, what is the appropriate tool for the job? I wouldn't suggest anything fancy like Bergeon spring bar tool or even Omega original spring bar tool. Instead, my tool of choice is a humble 1.4mm screwdriver. A quick explanation how the bracelet is attached to the case. The connection is spring-loaded bar, which can be released by pushing the bar down. Place the blade on the top of the shoulder, pull down. I will be also pushing the link towards myself. I'm pushing the link toward myself. I'm placing the screwdriver blade on top of the shoulder, and then I'm pulling down. The spring-loaded bar is released from the hole. Same for the bottom end. Inside, up, and out. Let's do the other end slowly. The end link is pushed towards myself. The spring-loaded bar is pulled down. Blade on the top of the shoulder. Down. Same with the bottom end. Up, and the spring bar is released. Yep. Putting the bracelet back on is even easier. Place the spring-loaded bar and end link over the shoulders, push gently down, and then press on the bar on the top and bottom till it finds its way into the lug holes. Done. Again, end link over the shoulders, gently down, and spring-loaded bar, top and bottom. Done. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Speedmaster Moonwatch.